Hey, welcome to Foster Comedy. I'm your host, Foster Rhodes, and I'm a stand-up comedian. I created this channel because I wanted to give other comedians, stage performers, and public speakers like yourself healthy ways to cope with the challenges and stresses in the entertainment industry and spark the madness inside of you to follow your dreams, build your brand, and stay healthy doing it. I post weekly content from joke writing strategies to stage performance techniques and health and wellness tips, as well as interviews with industry professionals from mental health, health and wellness, and the performing arts. If you want tips on how to feel and be your best self on and off the stage, then hit that little subscribe button right down there and get ready to transform your life.
Weekly from stage as well as interviews with industry professionals.
I wanted to give